when I need Jack Palmer Hill.
Watch her. Watch her, people. Watch her. Watch her. You see how she behave? You see how she behave? Coming from BJ's and look at what she look at that. She's crazy. She should get a ticket. Look here, watch her now. So I put her to work. I put her to work, guys. Got you, Tina. It's alright. Oh my god, guys. So this is a tiny little bit of Thanksgiving shopping, a little bit. I'm not used to this kind of car. It's too small, right? I'm not used to it. Guys, I have a loaner. It is a 2020 320i. I feel so weird driving this car. It's hella low. And apparently Tina drives a bigger car as well. So she's like, this feels hella low. Did you get one, Tina? No. No? Too expensive. Okay. You know, tell your fans so you go bake cake. I am. She have you. Whatever. Yeah. Tina, are you going to put the eggs there? She's pretty, yeah. What if something falls on it? What, like what? Oh, like the ketchup? Yeah. Yeah. Until you drive hard. You're right. Thanks for the heads up. For real, I'll hold it in my lap. I'll put it on the back seat or something. Huh? The door open. Let's see. Oh God. Yeah, guys. So Tina and I are on the road. I'm gonna tell you to put me on the TV. You can't tell me shit about putting you on my channel, okay? If you don't want to be on my channel, you can take a bus or take the train. Defamation of car. Okay, but so long. You ever hear of a layman a sue a lawyer? I go sue you. Try me now. Try me now, my girl. Going forward, anybody who wants to come and visit me has to sign an agreement that they're willing. Right. That they're willing or not. And if they're not willing, then they can't stay with you. They can't stay. I'm going to find somebody else to go to. Guys, she's over here threatening me, telling me I need to make sure that she looks good on video. I can't make sure what is not there is there. You know, babysitting Miles. It's not right. Miles doesn't need a babysitter. Miles is 15 years old. Thank you. Oh, nice in here. Christmas. Yeah. Oh God, it's so Christmassy. Tina, what did you do? I'm gonna bathe my dog. Why you can't bathe him, Tina? I've never done that. So you just try. In Jamaica, we don't bathe dog. And you have me a pick up. But you're telling me to bathe him. You have me a pick up match. Guys, I don't make her, okay? She babysits Miles while I'm at work. So obviously if he poos, I mean, it's kind of like the nice thing to do to pick it up. Like, you can't leave it for people to step in it, right? She's been complaining about it the whole time. Oh my God. Anyway, guys, we're watching movies together. And Miles started scratching at the door. So I had to go let him out. What's the matter? Huh? It's raining? Is he wet? A lot? It's just my way. I talk too much. Rub him down with some paper towel, please. What's her name? You look the way people look when they go to bed. Like, who are you trying to impress? Eh? Who are you trying to impress, Tina? My girl, let them something to me, you know. You know, me a real gal a road, you know. Guys, look at my plate that my girl just made for me. Bananas, yellow yam, dumpling, and neither one of us know what kind of fish this is.
Yeah.
But she described it as some silverfish. But yeah, fish. Thanks, Tina! She's camera shy, you guys. Let's go test it and see what it is. We're inside us. She's testing the food. She's tasting it. How is it?
Can't pass.
You're wicked. She wicked. She wicked. She know it nice enough.
No, it's good.
Come,
It's good.
all right. Give me 5 adjectives to describe the taste.
All right. Coconutty.
Nice.
Delicious.
Yes.
Spicy. It's not bland.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's me. Next. That's 3.
That's 3.
Yeah.
Tasty. It's very tasty.
Tasty. You know, sweet, my girl.
Sweet.
Look there. She'll take her time. She know it nice. She will want to eat it.
It's nice, guys. It's very flavorful. Very flavorful. You put coconut in there, right?
Yeah, coconut milk.
Yeah. I could taste the coconut. She's got carrots in there. It's nicely seasoned. It's not salty.
Nice.
It's not.
Nice.
It's just perfect.
So what you have to tell your viewers about your friend? Cooking skills.
She can't help herself, guys.
Yeah, no, I should. You don't get myself a bad for it. And the best tasting food you ever have.
Better than pencil food? Better than pencil?
Tell them something cook better than you. Tell them.
Better than me?
You, yeah.
You don't even believe that. You
When
believe that?
When she cook, it don't taste so good. I joke, man. She bad for it. She a big chef, man.
All right. Give me credit, please. And thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. Let me go enjoy my food. Bye.
Guys, you see what she's doing to me? She's locking me. My girl. Wait, no, man. Open the door. Open it. See this top, no, man. No, honestly, you see what she does to me? She a dry well left me. No. It's all right. Look here. See the meal, yeah? The red lobster meal. All right. Go on. It's all right. I'll have this. No. It's all right. No, you want me to come in? Guys, you see how she is? I want to know how no friend, YouTube sensation stay. She give me a hard time.
Whatever.
It's all right.
It's payback, you guys. Payback. Okay, because she used to give me a warm time at school. It's my turn.
Oh my God.
What the hell? Let me get out of here. Let's see.
This kind of dog. My girl, you know I should be.
You know, yesterday we should have caught the bus incident. That shit would have been good.
Yeah.
Guys, yesterday I had to rescue her from a bus. She called me, guys, and she told me, she's like, I'm on the bus. So I'm like, where are you? And she tells me like what the cross street is, the last one she passed, and I was just leaving the gym. So look, there's a Marshall's over here.
Oh.
So I was like, all right, I got you. So I drove up there and the bus pulled over. She's like looking, she's like, oh my God. She jumps off the bus. I blocked the bus so the bus couldn't move. And she jumps off and jumps into the car. That shit was hilarious. And you said the bus driver was rude, right?
Yeah.
That girl looks like Sandrine, don't she?
It's like some
Don't she
bunny
look
and
like
Clyde.
Sandrine?
Oh.
This girl, look at her face.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let me videotape her. Let me go.
Sandrine, you have a twin.
Hang on.
You see her?
Yeah.
Hi, Sandrine. Hi.
The video was dark though.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Wait, what did you just say?
I said this is where the incident happened that I had to take out my baton.
Guys, are you seeing this?
Right here.
Are you seeing
Right
this?
here. Some little Hispanic chick tried to run up on me. I was like, oh.
Don't
Where you
let
going?
the
Where you
pretty
going?
face fool or the cities. People, always say people for YouTube. People, the see that? Show me again. What did you just say?
I'm not gonna incriminate myself. Guys, it's a flashlight, okay? It is a flashlight.
This look like, turn it on. Turn it on. If it's a flashlight, turn it on.
It doesn't have any batteries in it right now.
You're too quick.
Oh my god. Hey guys, now we're on our way home. We're about to go have. Hey, look, he's laughing at us. Oh, he's talking to a girl. He was grinning.
He's not that cute
Initially.
anyway.
He's not. He's
not so
He's a
cute.
little pudge. Anyway, we are on our way home. We just got some Red Lobster because this one, I think she had breed or something. God, she fresh in there.
Really? I'm a virgin. You know it.
From Shadea, she said, guys, are we gonna? She's like, Cindy, when are we going to Red Lobster? When are we going to Red Lobster? If she never go Red Lobster, guys, she would die.
Favorite, yeah.
Biscuits. I think she's addicted to the biscuits.
That's not really. I'm telling me how to eat biscuits.
But you like this biscuit? Don't you like Red Lobster biscuits?
It's alright.
So what do you like from there then? What were you dying
The
for?
shrimp and the potatoes.
Oh.
The mashed potato.
Okay. I stand corrected, you guys. It was just the shrimp and the mashed potatoes. Yeah. Anyway, I haven't had that since the last time she was here, which was 2 years ago. So, I'm about to go in a little bit. Okay. Okay, Tina.
Look here, stop, bad girl, stop videotape me now. Me not tell you if you stop putting me on
You
video.
cannot tell me
Jeez.
what to do. You can't tell me to record you, not to record you.
Tell your
The
fans.
moment you step into this car, you have consented to whatever
Show me,
audio.
where's the evidence? Show me
Listen.
the evidence. I don't remember filling out.
It is unwritten.
we
It
didn't do
is
a verbal
unspoken.
contract.
Whatever. Like I said, the moment you step into this car, this vehicle, you have consented to me and my mighty.
Real number one trending, gal. Now fi check when me spending.